don't understand. I'm not following. He is very rich. He is rolling in dough. She is very tired. She is exhausted. I'm hungry. I could eat a horse. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. Calm down. Take it easy. Be careful. Watch your step. I'm very happy. I'm on cloud 9. Stop worrying. Don't sweat it. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. I don't care. I couldn't care less. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. He is very lazy. He's a couch potato. I agree with you. We're on the same page. You are right. You hit the nail on the head. I'm very sad. I'm down in the dumps. Let's keep it a secret. Let's keep it under wraps. It's very expensive. It costs an arm and a leg. He's very funny. He's a barrel of laughs. I'm very scared. I'm petrified.